Hi and welcome to Self-Made. I know this took a while. I was super busy, and now I'm back with this, and this is a delayed pull pin trigger. I will use it for a smoke bomb, but you can actually use it for cartridges, CO2, for airsoft grenades, and it works like this. Pull, wait, click. And it's 3 seconds delay, but you can actually adjust it up to, I don't know, 5, 6, 10 seconds. And yeah, how it's made, like this. Let's go. First thing we need is round pipe, M10 thread on the outside, 8 millimeters inside, from a lamp store. For all the guys who don't know how to shop in 2018, it's all online, guys. Just Google it. And this piece here as well, same store, just a connector, actually, if you want to combine two of those rods to a longer one. And it's brass, M10 thread on the inside. And inside of there's one of these. It's like a pinch seal. Electricians use it for wire channels to make sure the wires can't move up and down anymore, to pinch them in place, made of rubber. And one of these fellas is trapped inside here. Yeah, I know it's mean, but we need him. Talk to him. He said it's alright, as long as he has a job. And now, this is not even maybe half an inch, 12 millimeters long, goes in here. And guess what? The other one goes into the other side. And this is something just below, just beyond 1 inch, 3 centimeters, or 30 millimeters. For all the cool kids who know the metric system out there. And that's it. That's our core piece. Well, actually, not the core piece, the shell. And now let's make the core piece. The core piece is made from 3 millimeter brass round bar. Not really bar, more wire. And it's 60 millimeters long, 6 centimeters, or something about slightly over 2 inches. And what I did, I put this in my Dremel, or a Proxxon tool. I always call him Dremel, it's kind of like weird. It's a Proxxon tool, rotary tool, and hold it against my file and file out the middle section until it's only 2.5 to 2 millimeters wide. And sand it, and then you got a slim waist. And that will go in right here. And the harder you screw it in and pinch it, the harder the movement will be, unless you get to the middle. The middle will slide through just fine, and that's why we did this. And now it's actually ready for the spring. The spring is 5 millimeters in diameter, 4 centimeters long. It's not even 2 inches. And yeah, ball pen springs are too weak, too small, so they won't work. Get something bigger, something like this. And let's see. Now you put the spring on here with a small noopsie. And the bigger noopsie on the other side. Doesn't actually matter the size of the noopsies. And how you call them, I call them noopsies. And that's it. This ring is made from brass pipe I had laying around, and just filed it down to a tiny ring, plus some 1 millimeter steel wire from Home Depot. And you get this. And now it all makes sense. The small waist will get sucked in, and when the small waist reaches the rubber, it will pop out. And the harder you pinch it in there, the longer it takes. See? Simple, but just what I need. I need a 3 second delay for a smoke bomb. Next project, by the way. And this will do great if you use bigger parts, tougher spring, a bigger pinching seal, you can even trigger airsoft grenades with it, lighter gas, or even CO2 cartridges, whatever you want to do with it. Very cool thing and easy to make, as seen. So go out there, spread the word, let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time.